What kind of sounds are we interested in?
The sounds that we're most interested in are professional sounds. Like, I'm struggling to think of any professional sounds. So Fungi Media, we're a video storytelling company, and we opened a studio, and we have a place to go do video shoots and record sound. The problem with it was that it didn't sound good. It used to sound like this! I don't like it at all, it sounds bad. We really had to get some sort of a product in here to make it sound good.
My name is Buddy Combs, architect with Knauf Insulation.
They had this product.
Knauf's black acoustic board. It's our most common product for board application for acoustic products.
They recommended that we put as much of it as we could basically on the ceiling.
1, 2, 3. We put 43 panels in the space.
They're able to fit it in this really wonky ceiling that we have that's got all this craziness hanging down from it.
We put it right in the middle of the room, so it's doing the most that it possibly could.
Yep, yep, yep. Sounds pretty good.
It's very inexpensive. It's easy to install.
I left on a Friday, came back on a Saturday at 1 o'clock, and it was already installed. I didn't even know they were installing it. Buddy was here measuring sound, helping us measure the difference between what the bare bones of the space was like,
Getting up to 74, 75 dBs.
and then what the space sounds like now.
We reduced that down to 44 decibels. The echo, for instance, has completely gone away.
We had a really reverberated space where you could barely even have a conversation with somebody to being able to record a video like this. Hi!
It's tremendously different and it's comfortable.
We're so happy with the product, we even built a sound booth. We use the black acoustical board as our insulation for professional audio recording, doing voiceovers and narrators and things like that.
I asked for filtered water. I can't do this with.
I'm really impressed. This was very professional.
We're here making professional sounds.